Today, I'll be revealing the best 7 movie apps for Android devices. Mind you, these apps are also available for iOS, Chromecast, Roku TV, laptops, and a lot more. Now, the first platform on my list is called the Roku channel. Having over 500 plus live TV channels for you to enjoy on this platform, and a lot of movies and TV series also fully available on the platform. Also, they have a lot of anime available on this platform as well. So if you're an anime lover, you're also going to be finding that on this platform. Now, if I go to the category section real quick, you can currently see there's a lot of category. There's the series section, there's the movie section, there's the sports section, and so many other categories like reality, drama, and so much more for you to enjoy. Now, don't want to waste your time. Let me quickly show you the live TV section. So you can see so many live TV channels for you to enjoy on this platform. Now, this platform is fully available to people in the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, and countries similar to that. Now, moving on, second platform on my list is called Plex TV. Plex TV is a very popular platform which is used for free streaming of movies and TV series. You can see a lot of category down here already. It's a click and play platform, which means that you click on anything and just like that, you can start playing it on this platform. And they have apps available for all devices like Android, iOS, and a lot of other devices. So, let me show you the live TV section. You can see the categories. There's a lot of live TV in here, from reality to, comedy to sports. If I go to the sports section real quick, it's going to load up a bit. And now you can see there's so many sports live TV channels in here for you to enjoy on Plex TV. Now you can simply go ahead and download to your devices and have a wonderful time. Now moving on. The next platform on my list is called FilmRise. Now, FilmRise is available for Android, available for iOS, available for Chromecast, Roku TV, Fire TV, and so many other devices. And with the help of this platform, you can actually watch a lot of movies, a lot of series, all legally for free on their platform. And the quality is very, very good and is an easy to use platform. So you can go ahead and download to your devices and also have a wonderful time. Now, if you look closely, you see that it is written here, no need to submit your credit card or even register. That already proves to you that you don't need to make payments monthly for this platform. It's a legally free platform for streaming movies and TV series. Now, the next platform that I'm going to be revealing in this video is a very powerful platform. And this platform is called Joy Hotstar. Now, you can see currently is having over 1 billion downloads in the Google Play Store. And with the help of this platform, you can actually stream and catch up to your latest Bollywood and Hollywood blockbusters on this platform, with a lot of live sports and live TV also available on the platform. Now, this platform is mainly available to people in India. So if you're in India and you're watching my video right now, go ahead and download this app that is called Joy Hotstar, and you have access to a lot of content on the platform. Now, if you want to have 100% access to each and everything on the platform, you have to upgrade to premium. But if you do not upgrade, you'll still be able to enjoy a lot of their content legally for free on the platform. Now, before I move on to the next platform, if you're actually finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time just to do that. Now, the next on my list is called Z5 Movies Web Series and Shows. Now, this platform is currently having over 100 million downloads on the Google Play Store. And with the help of this platform, you will actually be able to have access to over 4,000 plus movies and over 2,000, 5,000 TV shows. Now, the content you are going to be finding on this platform, they will mainly be Indian films, like, Indian movies and stuff related to that. And this platform is mainly available to people in Indian as well. So if you're an Indian and you are watching my video right now, go ahead and download Z5 and also Joy Hotstar to your device and have a wonderful time. Now, I'm going to be moving on to another platform real quick, and this platform is called Fandango at Home. also known as Voodoo. Now, with Fandango at home, you'll be able to watch a lot of movies and TV series legally for free, and at the same time, you'll be able to also rent and buy premium movies on this platform. So if I go to the Google Play Store, you see that Fandango at home is currently having 10 million downloads on the Google Play Store, and it's clearly written here you can stream for free on the platform. So you can go ahead and download to any of your streaming devices and you'll be able to watch and stream a lot of content from any of those devices legally for free. Now, the last platform on my list is called Now, currently having over 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store. And with the help of Now, you'll be able to stream a lot of content. You can clearly see it is written here, is your world of entertainment. So there's so much entertainment for you to enjoy on this platform, and also there's a lot of live TV channels available on the platform. Now, the only downside to this platform that is called Now is that it's mostly available to people in Australia. So if you're in Australia and you're watching my video right now, go and download Now to your streaming device and have a great time. Now, in this video, I think I reviewed about 6 platforms, so give each and every one a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there, but I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.